the bed. Go here. Go here. I will take that from you. In count of 5, ha? You're not listening. It's time to listen now. You finish it here. You sit down in the chair. Ano na naman?
Ang galing naman na neto, nanay. Pwede pa, nanay.
Pag mo bubuhusan niya ng tubig, ha? Hindi yan gagana.
Nanay. Nanay. Ang galing naman na itong pot, nanay. Ang galing naman ng pot, nanay.
Ngayon,
Nakakagaling, nanay. Tapos, nanay, meron siyang na mainit. Because, nanay. Look, 16.
don't play the button.
It's like 16 days later.
Hmm.
If it's all cooked now, you will see it just come to more hot and more hot.
Hmm.
Ganon.
And then,
Ganon. Do you know that? Ganon. Meron na ba kanalay nakakita sila? Meron sila nanay nakahawak na cross. Because sa may kanya nanay. Because siya nanay is on blackness with Eddie. Kukunin ni cross. Ganon. Tapos papag-please na yung ganon. Because nanay na-break niya yung pasta. Ganon.
and then,
Ganon sila nanay. Napunta na sila tapos sakit nila yung kulos. Make sila mag-pizza kulos. At alin yung kulos nanay. Bisa may monster. Yo. Nagun mo. Molen. Big one. Big one. Didi, you want to enjoy the beach?
Giddy, you stay here.
Didi, I'm up to super nice for you. Olive. Hindi ko siya nalipapatanggal ng olive nanay.
Yung old lip lang yung remove mo, wag yung mga new lips.
Dito na lang.
Ayan, o, tingnan mo, may ano. Ayan, o. Because you keep on putting water on it every day, the leaves come out. See, the sprout is coming.
I hate this nanay.
Why you hate my plants?
Ito yung I don't hate
That produces oxygen. That's the reason why I get my plants outside and bring it inside so that it produces oxygen.
Hindi ko siya gusto. Hindi ko siya dyan ito ng tubig. Gusto ko lang ito. Hindi siya. Nagkakin. Aggressive. Enough. That thing is time to wala. Now it's cutting here.
And where is Giddy now? Maybe Giddy is eating on the bed. And where is Giddy?
There. She's in the back. Nalira! Nanisang! What? Ew! It just happened in this.
Elias, stop doing like that, ha?
I'm excited. What?
Be nice to your brother, I told you.
Or something in my back.